Welcome back. This is Muriel with another tag to share with you in my Christmas in July series. So this will be tag number 3 I'm showing. The first tag was the snowman tags. Second one was the ho 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 Santa tags. And these tags here are from the DCWV tag making kit. These were at Joann's many months ago, and I probably picked up every type of kit that they had, so I am forced to get in here and make these. And I made these some time ago. Me and my sister was on a phone call and we just kind of knocked them out because they give you everything, right? You get the tags, you get 213 pieces of ephemera, 300 adhesive squares, and twine. And I didn't hesitate not to copy exactly the ideas that they had here, which makes sense. You have to put the bows together, right? The bows come pretty unput together, so you just put those together and then you just have everything, find it in the pack and just put it together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I made those exactly like that. And then I made these 4. Of course, I will have more to show with you because I took it upon myself to use more of the ephemera. And then I'll show you 2 of them that I'm going to whip up today. So if you have this, it's a DCWV tags tag making kit. Makes 15 tags. So here is what I created. And I just have them on the red twine that they provided. And they all have a little thing in the back here where I can put my name and then a to and from sticker. Very cute. The tags are not chipboard, but they're pretty sturdy. So they have some weight to them. And there's lots of colors and lots of stars and bows and trees. And you get sentiments on all of them. So to make them different, you would just add what you want to. So as I look at these, I can't tell you which ones I did versus which ones I copied. But my goal was to use up lots of stuff in this kit. And I'll show you what I have left. I have a few things left, but they won't fit on these tags because the sentiments are quite long. So I'll be using them for something else. But I thought they were really cute. Again, they all have that in the back. I try to use up some stickers and some puppy stickers to put in the center here. So very cute kit. So if you pick one up, this is how they're going to look. Really cute. I will like hang these on the tree when I take them to the craft fair. If anyone is interested in them, they can let me know and they can purchase them right there. So let's put this here so you'll be able to see. Here is what I have left of the 213 pieces. Like I said, some of the sentiments are quite long. So I'm going to need a different type of tag for these or just use them on something else. Like this I'm going to use on a card. I already know the card I'm going to make on that one. So I went ahead and cut out, I had some extra tags that I cut out, so that's what I'll be using to make these last 2. So here, that's my idea of what I thought it would look like. But only thing I did was get this off, and I don't think I have glued this down. I covered it with some blue snowflake paper, and then I did a little snow scene at the bottom, and I'm using a reinforced glitter tab. This is from Heidi Swaps many moons ago. So on the back, I want to do as I have done with all the others. Let's see here. Let's get this ink out. We're gonna put I'm going to put a to and from. I'm looking for the joy sticker, joy stamp, and I don't see it. Okay, well, let's get the to and from on here. Okay, that'll be that. Then I have my stamp that I recently purchased at Hobby Lobby. this here. And then the other stamp that I seem to have, oh, here it is. This is the Joy stamp here. And you probably have this in your stash because it came in this cute little jar. Ink and stamp by Hero Arts. So you have all these little stamps: star, snowman, reindeer, holly, tree, poinsettia. You have an ornament, a gift, a penguin. So really cute. It says Merry Christmas. So that's where the Joy stamp comes from. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, so this is what I was thinking. I'm going to peel off this tape I have on the back with this tree. I found this star in one of my little suitcases. Oh my goodness, this is going to... These are the adhesive tapes that come with the kit. And they're really paper thin. They're not like any other. They're definitely not like the Stampin' Up. Stampin' Up has the best adhesive tape. Ugh, it's the best. You can peel it off with your hands. Even if you have acrylic nails like I do, you can just get in there and it'll just catch and you can just pull it off. So, okay, we have this tree, and I thought we would put the tree like, no, right here. Coming out of the snow. And then this is a puffy sticker from the, what's her name? Rosie Studios, of two elves sliding on a sled. And let's get some glue here. We have been downstairs all day watching. I finished these earlier, and then went downstairs. We were watching Love Island. I don't know how many of you guys watch Love Island, but me and my daughter are Love Island junkies. So we were watching that, and I said, okay, I have to go upstairs because I have to do this video. Then I have a snowflake that was in that ephemera pack. It's one big snowflake. So I thought it would be cute to kind of put like right there. And then this also was in the kit. It's my phrase, my sentiment. Let's get this up. It was so nice just to get up today and do nothing after having yesterday off. I hope you guys had a good 4th of July. We did. Went over to a friend's house, had really good food. And her daughter just had a baby. And then there was the cousin who bought her little boy, who was about 2. So it was just fun with the kids. So I'm going to put this bundled up like so. And then this sentiment, again, from Rosie Studios, little puffy sticker pack. Just put a little glue on it. It says, jolly good fun. And we're just going to put that at the bottom here. That's going to be the one tag, you guys. How simple was that? I'll put twine on it later because I don't see it right in front of me. So look how cute that is. It's a little scene, right? It's some elves sliding down the snow. There's a tree. They're bundled up. Jolly good fun. Okay, and then here is the second one that I kind of pulled together. I just reached over to my right where I keep my basket of papers that I use, you know, pieces of different patterns. You can see let's put those over here. So I found these two, which is like a wood grain with stars on it and this green. And then I don't want to say cut it or peeled it with my hand so that you can get those rough edges. So first I need to add a reinforce sticker on here. And I think I'm going to use... You know, I'll keep it glittered. Why not? Okay, let's just put her over there. Okay, then I have a nice sentiment that says warm wishes to you and yours. And I just put it on some red foam. And I think I want to make sure I get enough room for it. But I thought I'd put this trim right there. And I would put this in the middle, like so. And I have a lantern that came inside of the kit. Oh, those stickers, those came off easy. Those are my spellbinders. So, let's see here. Okay, put you right here. And then I have this cute hat. Then I'm going to put like there. Really easy to make. I mean, we just have to get in there and pull the stuff out and play with. That's all I do. I just kind of see what fits, see what works. What does that, what theme am I going for? How is that going to look? Okay, there. And then we'll glue this one down. And again, I'll put a twine on it. And then I will add it to my pack. Oh, sticky, sticky. Yes, Spellbinders foam adhesives work really well. Really well. Okay, so let's get that on here like this. There we go. I think I may have did the back. Now this is, you'll see in another tag series that I'm doing, gingerbread tags. I did them a little differently, so they kind of open up and they have joy and to and from on the inside, and then the handmade signature part on the back. So there are two that I just made in those 3 minutes. And if you have the kit, you're going to get 15 to make, plus you'll have a bunch of more ephemera pieces to work with. So that is my tag, you guys. I am 3 in, and trust me when I say I have lots more to come. You're really going to be in for a treat this year, because Muriel started making tags as early as April, and I haven't stopped. I mean, I came up with an idea this afternoon. Didn't come up with an idea, but I had these 3 wreaths, and I've had them for such a long time, and I said I have to do something with them, so I made a tag, and I only have 3 of them, so I can't wait to share with you. But again, here is my project that I completed, the tags by DCWV. You get 15 tags plus, and we just made those 2. So I hope you are inspired to create some yourself. Please don't forget to leave a comment, and please come back, because I have lots more to share with you guys. Take care. Until next time. Bye now.